kind of team we are looking at when we are talking about a software delivery?
When we are dealing with any IT related project, then we have certain team members, like we have developers who are basically doing the coding and doing the actual work, and then we also have QAs with us who make sure that we have the right quality of a project in place. And if the project is large and there is some architecture involved as well, like for a product or for a certain feature, then we usually have architect with us.
I have a project delivery. Let's say I have a SaaS application that I want to build, and I come to you for this delivery. Where would we start? I mean, the developers, the QA, everyone will be involved. Where will we start? You will be the first person to take the requirements, or will there anyone else who would take the requirements, or architect? What I want to know is that what is the team, and at what stages those team members with certain skill set are involved?
If we talk about like from the very start, then when a project comes to us, then we always start with eliciting the overall requirements, like what the client actually wants and what his need is. So we start with the requirement gathering. So from that particular phase, a project manager is involved with the business analyst who basically understands the overall requirements. Once the requirements has been elicited, then we try to jot it down somewhere so that we can overall lock the overall scope of the requirements. So from there, when the certain requirements are locked, then the developers actually start work on it. So developers come into this particular cycle when we start the execution actually.